How to fix Roku remote not working. 1. Check the IR remote through the phone's camera. Note, you may need to remove some fabric mesh from your device, cause the mesh may cause force sensitivity. 2. Replace existing batteries of the Roku remote with new ones. 3. Replug your Roku device and perform a cold restart of the TV. 4. Repair the affected Roku remote to your TV device. In, press the pair button of your Roku remote. 5. Recheck then reset up the Roku remote for TV control. 6. Update your Roku TV's firmware. 7. Change the router's Wi-Fi band. 7.1. Wireless, 2.4 GHz, on. 7.25 GHz, on. 8. Reset the Roku device to the factory defaults. Path, Setting System Advanced System Settings.